Hello dear students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In this video, we are going to study about some of the important MCQ from tablet coating. So before we start with our today's video, please like, share, subscribe as well as press the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. So let's begin with today's MCQs. The first question is, in coating process, which of the parameters is not considered? I repeat the question. In coating process, which of the parameter is not considered? And the options for this question are option number A, coating composition, then option number B, air capacity, option number C, that is tablet thickness, and option number D, that is tablet surface area. You have 10 seconds to think for the right answer, and then the correct answer will display on your screen. So the right answer of this question is option number C, tablet thickness. So tablet thickness can be not considered in coating process. Then moving to second question, the question is dash is applied to round the edge and build up tablet size. And the option to these questions are option number A, polishing, option number B, subcoating, option number C, serif coating, and option number D, that is seal coating. So again, you have 10 seconds to think over. Your time have already been started. And the right answer to this question is subcoating. Let me also tell you, in sugar coating, subcoating can increase the tablet's weight by 50 to 100%. The subcoating step involve alternatively applying a sticky binder to the tablet followed by dusting of subcoating powder and then drying. Then moving to next question. The question is, the imperfection in tablet surface caused by subcoating can be covered by, and the options are A, polishing, B, film coating, C, seal coating, and D, serif coating. So you have again 10 seconds to think over for this question. Right answer will appear on your screen after 10 seconds. So correct answer of this question is option number D, serif coating. I like to add about serif coating that this step requires the most skilled workers for this process. Then moving to next question. The question is, moisture penetration into tablet core is prevented by, and the options are A, subcoating, B, seal coating, C, serif coating, and D, that is all of the above. So you have 10 seconds to think for the right answer. And the right answer of this question is seal coating. So let me tell you that shellac and zine are the two widely used seal coating material. However, shellac has an limitation that it undergoes polymerization, resulting into increasing in length of dissolution time on aging. Moving further to next question. The question is, hazing or dull film is also known as or is also called as, and the options are A, color variation, option number B, bloom, option number C, roughness, and option number D, blistering. So you have 10 seconds to think for the right answer. And the right answer of this question is bloom. Okay, then next question is, excessive film tackiness causes, and the options are A, color variation, option number B, bridging and filling, option number C, roughness, and option number D, sticking. So this is the question from defects of tablet coating, and the right answer of this question is option number D, that is sticking. Moving to next question. The question is, disintegration time for enteric coated tablet is, and the options are A, 2 hours, B, 3 hours, C, 4 hours, and D 5 hours. So your time have started already. You can think of the right answer. And the right answer for this question is option number B, that is 3 hours. Then moving to next question. The question is, which coating equipment is not standardized coating pan. I repeat the question. Which coating equipment is not standardized coating pan? And the options are option number A, glad coater, option number B, immersion sword system, option number C, Pellegrini pan, and option number D, immersion tube system. So you can take 10 seconds to think of the right answer of this question. And the right answer of this question is option number A, that is glad coater. Glad coater is a perforated coating pan and not standardized coating pan. Moving to next question. The question is, which coating equipment is not perforated? And the options are option number A, high coater, option number B, dryer coater, option number C, Pellegrini pan, and option number D, Ascilla coater. So you have again 10 seconds to think for the right answer. And the right answer of this question is option number C, Pellegrini pan. Already we have seen that it comes in category of standardized coating pan and not in perforated coating pan. Moving to next question. The question is, which of the following tests is or are performed for coated tablets? And the options are option number A, water vapor permeability, option number B, film tensile strength, option number C, adhesion test, and option number D, all of the above. So you can think again for 10 seconds the right answer of this question, that is which of them can be used, and the right answer of this question is all of the above. So these were the 10 important questions from coating of tablet or tablet coating. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please share your marks in comment section and also tell on which topic you would like to have videos from me. Thank you.